Hi everyone, today is December the 5th and it's a very special day. It's Krampus Day. In some regions, people celebrate Krampus and then some actually dress up like this. And they're very, very scary and people run away because they're so scared of Krampus. But of course, there are also good people like angels or like St. Nicholas or the reindeer or the sheep. You don't have to be afraid of Miss P. You don't have to be afraid of elves or of Santa or of the gingerbread man or of Saki. And this is actually why we play a game now. And the game is called Knock, Knock, Knock. Who's at the door? Somebody to love or adore? Knock, knock, knock. Is it Saint Nick? If it's Krampus, then be quick. So it's a card game and we shuffle the cards and then we can play it. So if you see Krampus actually at your door, then you have to be quick and run and then knock the bell and then you're safe. Okay, ready to play? Okay, here we go. Knock, knock, knock. Who's at the door? Somebody to fear or adore? Knock, knock, knock. Is it Saint Nick? If it's Krampus, then be quick. An angel. Saint Nick. A reindeer. Oh, Krampus, be quick. Krampus, be quick. An elf. Oh, nobody at your door. Nobody at your door. Still nobody at your door. Again, nobody at your door. Gingerbread man. A sheep. Miss P. Another sheep. Saki. Santa, Saint Nick, a reindeer, Miss P, an angel, a sheep, Saki, an elf. Krampus, be quick. Bye.